Okay, so I guess this will be my first YouTube video because I've been telling myself to post something for like months now, and I just like keep coming up with excuses, and I'm such a perfectionist, and I'm just like been trying to figure out in my head what would be the perfect first video. Honestly, it doesn't even exist, and I'm just like tired of finding excuses, so I'm just gonna wing it. I am really wanting to do a channel that is really collaborative. So I don't want it to always be me talking to the camera. So I want to get you guys on board. I want to have people who have really great ideas. Please feel free to share them, or if you want to collaborate and do podcast type of videos, like interviews, or just like conversations, or we can even get really creative and do like episodes of like acting. I don't know. It's gonna evolve as I evolve, and I don't know where it's gonna end up, but the aim, like the whole purpose of it, is to really just challenge the way people think. I want it to be really educational, to be thought-provoking and inspiring, and I hope that it brings transformation in people's lives and in the way that they treat others. I hope that it helps people find who they are, what matters to them, to really develop people's character and their leadership skills. And there's just so many ideas that I have, so I'm not sure exactly if it's going to be like really specific or not, so I guess we'll see. But something else that is really important to me is finding ways to bridge the gap between different cultures, bridge the gap of understanding as well between different fields of study, whether that's science and spirituality, or philosophy and politics, or doesn't matter what. It can be anything that just helps people understand each other more. So yeah, I want it to be a bridge and to bring communities together, and to unify the way that we live in our communities. Is just so divisive, and I'm so tired of it because people just refuse to understand where each of us are coming from. There's just too much ignorance, and I'm getting really tired of it. So I feel like I really want to do something. So I guess we will see where this goes, but if you have any ideas that you want to share, just comment below. If you want to collaborate too, let me know. That'd be awesome. Okay, see you. Also, I just wanted to apologize for it being super shaky. My arm's getting really tired. I also have a tripod, which would have kept it a lot more stable, and I was just trying to use it for the past like half an hour, and they were not working out. The lighting was awful, and I can't figure it out. This is why I need your help. So in the meantime, I'm probably just gonna hold it with my hand, so you're gonna have to deal with my shaky videos for a little while.